Want to know how to search for chats in Kimi AI? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, what you can do is you can just simply open up kimi.com or just simply open up Kimi on your phone. So this is for phones only. So once you've opened up Kimi here, you should be seeing this interface right here. And at the top left side, you should be seeing this three hamburger icon. So you can just simply select that. So now once I've selected this three hamburger icon, here you should be seeing various options. Now here you should be seeing chat history as well on the leftmost side, and right beside it you should be seeing something known as search. So you can just simply select that. So you can simply search through your chats now. So you can just simply type in anything. So make sure you have your Wi-Fi as well for this, and once you have done all of that, your chats should pop up just like this right here, and it should show the chats relevant to your search. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.